We do have some more information that's now trickling in, even as that stunning defeat was handed out to Pakistan yesterday. But there's chaos both on and off the field for Pakistan. Pakistani politicians have now lashed out at the government and the Pakistani Cricket Board, calling for the immediate removal of Mohsin Naqvi. Critics say that his dual role as the PCB chief and the interior minister has been disastrous. Politicians within Pakistan are now blaming Naqvi for not only the team's humiliating performance, but also for the country's worsening law and order situation. So this dual role, both of which he seems to be failing at, Mohsin Naqvi seems to be in the dock for that. Akanksha, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Akanksha, what more can you tell us?
Right. So in inputs that have been shared with our investigations editor, Manoj Gupta, what we are being told is that not only politicians from the opposition parties like the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, you also have politicians from within the Shehbaz Sharif government, which are now questioning the role of Mohsin Naqvi, and that should he even be holding dual roles of that of an interior minister and also as the PCB chief, because not just his walkout, but his behavior has been very inconsistently consistent as far as we've seen how he behaved during Asia Cup, and now the T20 World Cup is the latest testimony. So in fact, what we're being told is that Pakistan politicians are even contemplating on bringing a motion against him. Well, let's talk about India. Do you see India's Union Home Minister Amit Shah also holding the BCCI? Do you see the England Cricket Board being headed by their interior secretary? No, that doesn't, because Interior Ministry in itself is the most important, crucial portfolio. And clearly, Mohsin Naqvi has proven to be a failure on both fronts, whether it is to do with the security situation that's already brought egg in the face of Asim Munir, who seems to be failing, or being brought down to the knees of the Baloch insurgency. There's much clout right now of the PTI. They're taking to the streets to oppose Imran Khan's isolation in the jail, his deteriorating health. So there's a lot of pressure being mounted on Shehbaz Sharif. Shehbaz Sharif's government is extremely embarrassed that they had to take that U-turn only because Mohsin Naqvi was the one who called for it. Right. And remember, it was Naqvi who was tom-tomming about how he was the one who brought the ICC to its knees.
Well, look who brought Mohsin Naqvi to the knees, because he couldn't even stay till the end of the game to watch what exactly happened. That's how bad his team was playing. But Akanksha, thank you so much for getting us those inputs on that front. Whether Mohsin Naqvi faces the axe or no, that's something that the administration there will have to look into.